Lot 14. Oak Knob Scoobie Fetch. She was born on November 14th, 2011. Fetch was 35.5 inches tall and weighed 260 pounds at videotaping. Her dam, Oak Knob Linden Francine, is scored very good, and as a 2-year-old made over 24,000 pounds of milk with a 3.9 fat test and 971 pounds of fat, and a 2.9 protein test with 726 pounds of protein. On this lactation, she is currently milking 84 pounds a day. The Grand Dam has made just under 88,000 pounds of milk in her lifetime, and the third dam has a living lifetime record of 166,435 pounds of milk, 5,746 pounds of fat, and 5,211 pounds of protein. Going back to the 9th dam, all but one was scored very good or better.